Hello and welcome to another day of camping with Kelly and Crystal. We're on site 40 at Ortona South Campground, and in my opinion this is probably one of the better sites here. There's a buddy next door, 4142, we can both get on the same campsite, but we're number 40. Look at this. And that's what you can watch about every half hour or so. People lock through in their boats. Now this guy's headed towards Fort Myers, which is roughly, I don't know, 27 miles by water. LaBelle is 9. He's kicking up the speed a little bit. But you got a nice concrete site. This is a 40-foot camper. We could definitely still have our car hooked up. Site 40, and the restrooms not far either. There's the dump station. Okay.